My name is Ananya Kabir. I'm professor of English literature at King's College London, and I'm a literary and cultural historian. One of the questions that arose in my mind when the pandemic started globally was, what's going to happen to dance? How are we going to dance? How do we engage in this physical personal connection which dance demands? And it's in that context that my curiosity was really provoked when I realized that in step with the unfolding pandemic, something else was going viral. Jerusalem is a house music anthem, sort of a dance song created by a South African group. But gradually, and as the pandemic unfolded, it became a dance craze. An Angolan group called Phenomenal December, this dance group picked up the tune and created a choreography in a very casual setting. This idea of a group coming together to dance literally became so popular globally, and we had all kinds of people all over the world making videos of themselves dancing to the same choreography. So the Jerusalem Dance Challenge became viral during the pandemic when, of course, the virus was going viral. Why it was giving us so much joy was, of course, the fact that because of the pandemic, we couldn't actually physically connect. So there's a very interesting interaction of technology and of the body. And we were striving to connect even though we couldn't. And interestingly, this question of why we use ideas of going viral while talking about dance was also the topic of a lecture I gave to the festival Contagion, organized by the Bengaluru Science Gallery. So a lot of things came together. And my big question to all of us is, when we use metaphors of, say, dance or an article or anything going viral, we are tapping into a very long history of using advances in epidemiology, advances in science to talk metaphorically of other kinds of phenomena in culture. But what I'm interested now is a kind of reverse. At a time when we were really in a pandemic and the virus was preventing us from connecting, we kind of maybe use the metaphor of contagion in a way to give us hope, to kind of make us think that just as dance makes us happy, maybe something that's going viral will ultimately make us reconnect. And somehow we'll come out of this mess together as a society and a collectivity, able to value human connection better.